Hello guys, behind me stands my fully upgraded and now lighter Himalayan 411. Let me take you to the workshop and show you everything we did to it. In the previous episode we finally made it to take off the exhaust. Now I am more than ready to rip it all off and start the rebuild for real. Unfortunately, the parcel with all the new parts didn't arrive yet. It's hauled by custom and they are being a bit, I'm not gonna say anything. But at least we have one good news. We found a scale, or should I say, kind of a scale. Let's quickly finish dismounting everything and finally weight all the parts. Okay, so this for now we're gonna leave on. This we're gonna leave on. We're gonna change it for heated grips if I manage to take it off. This thing is like 5 kilos. You're saying we can figure out something to not put it back. I think, seriously, like 200 grams? No, more.
Yeah, I think more actually.
500 grams? It's really fucking heavy, it's like stone. I think we have someone obsessed with cleaning here.
What?
I think we have someone obsessed with cleaning here.
You're trying to lose weight. You carried home half of Sarah, so yeah.
I found something else useless on the bike. Actually more useless parts than I thought. Okay, with a little bit of Sahara inside.
And that's actually quite heavy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's metal, so it's
Yeah.
like maybe 200 grams?
20? That's good.
Here, right? It's literally everywhere.
I know someone who wants to clean that badly.
Fuck, there's so many parts you can remove on this bike. Okay, so this one comes with, what's that? Oh, it's the clip for the
Looks like the lock is on there.
lock. Oh yeah, the lock, the key.
The key for the seat. But we can actually take the whole key out if we... Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it is.
Okay, a
But-
little
no.
more of dismounting stuff, and that's
Yeah,
it.
if you take this out.
First I have to take this one out.
No, it's okay, we wait. Yeah, I'm not stopped filming. Come on, hurry up.
Because then I have to...
No, you can leave that.
Why?
Leave it. Pull this out here. Oh, I need 2 hands to do this. I see why vlogging is so difficult. Can you hold that for me, please? Thank you.
I'm really glad someone understood why vlogging is hard.
So, we just throw this away. We don't need this. We just leave this here, and if you want to take your seat out, you just pull the wire.
Oh, that's smart!
I know.
Pure security. Also, I'm never taking this seat out because I have the entire bag on it, so... Perfect! Okay. We have the scale. I'm really curious. Let's see how much this weighs. Okay, 0. Mirrors. Of course, I'm gonna put new ones, so that's not gonna be 100% of what we're losing, but... That's 347 grams. It says 339. 270. I'm not sure this scale is working. Let's find something with a very specific weight so we can test it out. $809. Fuck. Our scale is broken. So now we're fixing scales instead of fixing bikes. I think someone left a battery in the scale and it got bad, so let's see if I can clean it a little bit. So this should be with the red wire, and it's not anymore, so obviously it doesn't help. I'm just gonna clean everything and then I'm gonna put it back together. This is such a mini wire. Like I never did such a mini one. Why do we have only 2 arms? We always need 3. I think I did a really poor job. $492 grams. 492. Okay, so the mirrors are gonna come back. The front mudguard, I'm really not sure I want to put it back. 380 grams. Whoop. Smart me. Let's see how much the light weighs. 174 grams. Passenger foot peg weights 500 grams. 5.
So you're together, or is it
Together, 250, 250. Now the most funny part. This little plate that we removed, 453 grams. Toolkit, 167 was the plastic. 180. Rear light system, another 298 grams. Okay. Rear plate holder, 360. This is heavy. Oh, not that much. 1 kilo 95. That's not that much. I was expecting more. And then we have an entire little group of random shit. Almost a kilo. 840. So actually, instead of buying a new one that weighs the same, maybe I just clean this one and put it back. I think I'm gonna do that and save some money. So just for the fun of it, I calculated how much kilos I have around me. Of course, some of the things are back on the bike, some things are going to be replaced, like the mirrors. It's not like I'm taking off the mirrors, I'm going to put new ones, but just for the fun of it. We have 6.7 kilos, so almost 7 kilos of random shit here around me, without counting the exhaust and without counting the seats. So really just random stuff. We have 7 kilos. This is just crazy. Guys, these guys are really helping with the situation. But yeah, just like, you know, removing all little parts of things that you don't really need. Wow. This is getting fun. I'm really excited to see what's coming out of all this. I searched for other lighter skid plates online, But actually this one is so light, I can't find better. It's really broken. But yeah, let's try to clean this a bit. Want to know how much this weighs alone without dirt? I think it's gonna be less than 1 kilo. 629 grams. 629 grams. That's what we're gonna put back on the bike. That's nice. No good news yet about the parcel with all the parts arriving, but we received the, how it's called? Luggage. AliExpress luggage weight. Is it called a weight?
Oh, I think it's called a scale.
Scale. Luggage scale. That is now used for exhaust. Okay. Ready. Do your guess. Oh, you didn't guess. You should have guessed. 7.5 kilos. What the f? Now that the bike is completely dismounted, the fun part is starting. The custom build. And we're gonna have a few challenges. In the next episode, we're gonna do some custom mounts and start to put on all the new cool parts that have already arrived. See you in the next one.